Welcome to weekly view on markets. This week Nifty has closed at 18,117 with a gain of 1.86%. Bank Nifty traded almost flat with gain of 0.65% and closed at 41,258. Nifty Mid Cap Index gained about 2.27%. Small Cap Index was at 9673 with a gain of 0.85%. India VIX is at 15.62. So the India VIX indicates that the market is trading in a steady range and the fear in the market has receded. Let us look at different sectors during this week. Almost all the sectors gained during this week except private banks, which had marginal loss. The metals were leading the rally with almost 7.4% gain. Commodities gained about 3.49%. Pharma and healthcare stocks gained about 2.89%. Oil and gas stocks gained about 2.79%. This is a daily chart of Nifty. Nifty has closed at 18117. And if we look at the chart has crossed the major resistance level of 18,000 and closed about the major resistance level. And the chart structure indicates that we are all set to cross 18,600 level, so, which was the previous all-time high. So in the month of October, I expect the market to touch previous highs or even go higher than the previous high. We may see a all-time high during the month of October. Market has a strong support at 18,000, which is a psychological level now. And the resistance level for the market is 18,400 and followed by 18,600. If the market crosses 18,600, then we can expect a huge target, you know, which can be calculated by with the help of charts. The charts indicates a target of around 26,600 for Nifty in the coming years. This is based on the long-term chart of Nifty. The Nifty target is 26,600 by around December 2024. This is what the long-term chart structure indicates. The chart pattern on the stock indicates a very high target for Nifty. This also confirms with the recent statement by Deputy Governor of RBI, who has stated that by around 2025 or 26, India is going to cross 6 trillion US dollar GDP. So, if that kind of growth is expected in the economy, the target projected by the technical charts also give similar view. So, combining both these view, my expectation is that we are set for a strong rally in the coming months and years. So investors who remain invested during next 3 4 years are going to see very good returns from the markets. Now, the chart structure of Nifty mid cap and small cap also suggests similar kind of move in the coming years. Last week, US Fed has raised interest rate by 75 basis points, and previous week ECB also raised interest rate by 75 basis points. Also, the London Central Bank, UK Central Bank has raised interest rate by 75 basis points. While all the European and US countries are battling the inflation, in India we can expect about 50 basis points in rise in interest rate by RBI, and the inflation in India is holding steady and is likely to moderate in the coming months. So, we are seeing a positive trend in the auto sales for the month of October. The passenger vehicle sales has increased by 29%. Two-wheeler sales were flat because two-wheelers have a very large uh, base, and they have shown an increase of 4% for the month of October. Commercial vehicles, which are used for road and logistics transport, they have shown the good sales during the month of October. Ashok Leyland has recorded very good uptake in the sales. Tata Motors sales were flat, and Eicher also reported good increase in the sales. Industrial activity is expanding and picking up in India. PMI Manufacturing Index, which is a leading indicator for industrial activity, has come at 55.3 for October, comparing to 55.1 in September. PMI Services Index has come at 55.1 for October, which was 54.3 in September. Both manufacturing and services PMI index indicate robust pickup in industrial as well as service sector in the economy. Dollar index touched a high of 114, and after that it has come down to 110 level. Accordingly, rupee, after touching 83, has now stabilized at around 82.41. During the present week, the Indian rupee has strengthened against dollars. Crude is also trading at around 96. Previous week it was trading at 96, 94 per barrel. Now it is at $96 per barrel. So the macroeconomic data shows stability for Indian economy. Let us look at the market valuation. Nifty trading at a historical P of 21.77 at the end of this week, and at a price to book value of 4.26. Nifty mid cap is trading at a historical P of 23.76 and at a price to book value of 2.98. And Nifty small cap index is trading at a historical PA of 17.28 and at a price to book value of 2.98. During this earning season, all the indices, that is Nifty, Nifty mid cap, and Nifty small cap, have gone up by more than 1,000 points. Despite that, we are not seeing much change in the valuation of the market. Even if we look at price earning multiple, or even if we look at price to book value, there is no much change. This shows the impact of earnings on the market. Uh, the good results by the companies are keeping the market valuation at a reasonable level even after increase in the indices level. So I continue to hold a bullish view on markets in the coming weeks and coming months. Investors are advised to remain invested, and mutual fund investors should continue their SIPs. We are into exciting times in next 2 to 3 years. There will be many events like state elections, then after that Lok Sabha elections. Despite all these many events yeah, in the country as well as globally, we are seeing good growth in the Indian economy, and that will have very good impact on the corporate earnings. And if the corporate earnings are picking up, we will see the market at higher levels, and investors will make very good money from the market. This is all for this week. If you like the video, please share with your friends, give your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you. We'll meet again next week.